back to my channel. I'm Janine.
I'm Janine's mother.
What's your name? Cut. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Janine. So this is my mom. What's your name?
Mary.
Mary. This is my mom, Mary. She say Mary, but that's the southern in her. Mary. Mary. And welcome to my channel. Thank you. What are you staring at me for? Anyway, welcome to my channel, guys. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Today is going to be a little bit different. Today we're going to be cooking. A cake for you guys today. So I hope you enjoy it. Tell us what cake we're going to be cooking today.
Sour cream banana cake.
You want to look at the camera and say that?
Sour cream banana cake.
Why are you looking up at the ceiling? Just say sour cream banana cake.
Sour cream banana cake.
With
cream cheese icing.
We are going to be cooking this cake together. This is a mother-daughter duo. First time I think I've ever cooked a cake with my mom before. So this would be a special. It ain't.
Did a pound cake.
We did. I don't remember. But this is special mother and daughter time. We're gonna do a cake. I hope you guys enjoy. This cake that we're gonna be cooking is from the channel Divas Can Cook. She has a lot of great recipes. I've been following her for quite some time. A lot of old-fashioned, traditional Southern cooking. This banana sour cream pound cake or cake on her channel, and I just fell in love with that cake. I just had to make it. So this recipe is coming from her channel. This is her recipe that we're going to try to recreate. I'm trying to see if I can talk my mom into doing a cooking channel separate from my channel. So this is just a little tester. But if we do it, it'll be called Mad Cook, mother and daughter cook. So Mad Cooks. I will be testing out a lot of random recipes. I'll be testing out a lot of recipes that my mom has in her cookbooks. A lot of recipes throughout our family's history to try, and of course some other random stuff I may see online just to test it out and try it, and hopefully you guys will enjoy it and want to try it yourselves. So that's really what this channel, I'm trying to coax her into doing this channel. Y'all like the title Mad Cooks, mother and daughter cooks? Like, I just thought about that, but anyway.
We'll see.
Okay, she said we'll see. Y'all heard that on camera. She said we'll see, so that means yes. So we will be doing a channel called Mad Cooks. And so y'all can check out a lot of wonderful recipes. Hopefully once a week we can get in the kitchen and cook some things. So stay tuned. It's in the works. Pray about it. So we've already pre-measured everything just to save a little on time, but if you want to see us measuring the ingredients and going through that whole process, definitely let us know the next time we do one of these videos where we're cooking something. But we pre-measured everything, so we're going to show you all the ingredients that is in this cake, and then we're going to show you how we mix it all up and put it in the pan and all that type of stuff. But let's go ahead and get into it and start cooking this cake. I hope it turns out well. This is my first time cooking a cake from scratch. I don't cook cakes from scratch. I don't really cook cakes for real. If I do, it's in a box. So we're going to try cooking this cake from scratch. So without further ado,
let's get cooking.
So to get started, we're going to measure the oven at 350 degrees.
Measure the oven.
Measure.
Set the oven.
And we've greased and floured a 10-inch bundt pan that we're going to set aside.
In this bowl we have flour, baking powder, salt, sugar, and pudding mix. For our wet ingredients, we have egg, butter, sour cream, mashed bananas, milk, and vanilla. Now we're going to mix in the dry ingredients. While our cake is cooking, we're going to start on our frosting, and we're going to put in the cream cheese, which is to make the icing. You don't need the paper. Then we'll put our butter in. Really let that go soft. We're going to add our vanilla. Now we're going to cream together our butter and cream cheese. Gradually mix in our powdered sugar. And we're going to add the milk, a teaspoon at a time. Now that the cake is completely cool, we're finna put the icing on it.
Now, just a side note, this would have been much better done on a cooling rack to allow the excess icing to drip, but we did not have a cooling rack, and you don't have to apply as many pecans as we did on this cake, but you get the point. So in the freezer it goes, and then we'll be right back. So now's the time to taste the final product. So we're both gonna try this at the same time and get our reaction. Here we go. Ready? Hold on, we gotta bless it. Oh God, as Tabitha Brown say, oh God, we thank you for this food. Amen. All right. Oh, wait, let me get it. Seemed like all the bananas went to the top of this cake. Ready? You didn't get the icing in the pecans. No, you didn't. Here we go. Bon appetit.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no.
It's a very thick cake. Very moist. Maybe just a tad too moist. Definitely taste the bananas all the way through it. Very moist. It's good. It's really good. Way too many pecans. Maybe a little less of bananas the next time. And definitely gonna let the icing drizzle. All the excess icing drizzle. And definitely lesser on the pecans. Somebody got a little heavy-handed on the pecans. But that's all right. It tastes like a banana cake. It tastes like a banana cake. It's the best way I can describe it. But it's really good. And we're going to let this cool a little bit more because it's still not completely cool. It's still a little warm. But it's really good. So this was our attempt to make the banana sour cream cake with cream cheese glaze or icing. And I think we did pretty good for our first time, at least for my first time making a cake from scratch. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, definitely give it a big thumbs up because it does help my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, comment down below. If you try this recipe, let me know what your thoughts are, how it turned out in the comments section below. And I will see you on the next one. Bye.
Bye. Thanks, Janine.
You're welcome.